Hello, in this video, we're focusing on the practical concepts that you can actually apply in the real business world. Hope you enjoy it. Let's get on with it. Today, we'll explore the Motherson Group and its significant role in the global automotive industry. As you can see, the images highlight advanced manufacturing processes with automated machinery assembling car bodies, showcasing the behind-the-scenes work that keeps the industry moving. Motherson is one of the largest suppliers, providing essential components that enable car manufacturers around the world to build vehicles efficiently and reliably. This presentation will take you through their operations, innovations, and how they support the global automotive supply chain. Behind every reliable car door, dashboard, and wiring system is a company many people don't see, Motherson Group. Unlike the automaker's brand or the designer's name, Motherson works quietly within the automotive world, involved in millions of vehicles each year without much public recognition. They aren't just a supplier, they act as a systems integrator and problem solver, supporting nearly every major global automaker. Their presence stretches across continents, making them essential to the automotive supply chain. What stands out about Motherson is their focus on process excellence and scale, all while maintaining a humble approach that contrasts with the flashy, brand-driven nature of the industry. This combination has allowed them to build critical relationships and a powerful role, even if many outside the industry aren't aware of their impact. Motherson Group didn't just grow by chance. It followed clear goals and a unique approach that set it apart from its competitors. Their business model is built to endure even tough market cycles that often cause others to fail. This focus on discipline and strategic planning allowed them to become a crucial but often unnoticed part of the global automotive supply chain. Over time, they have built strengths in precision, innovation, and resilience, which keep them moving forward no matter the challenges in the industry. This foundation has made them a reliable partner for automakers worldwide and a key player in keeping vehicles safe and dependable. Motherson's main goal has always been about building lasting partnerships rather than just chasing rapid growth. It focuses on becoming an essential part of its customers' operations, making itself so valuable that replacing it would be difficult. Instead of trying to enter new markets ahead of its clients, Motherson grows alongside them by following their needs across different regions, vehicle types, and platforms. This approach means revenue growth happens naturally as a result of supporting their customers' success, not as a separate target to hit. This steady, consistent strategy has guided Motherson from its early days in India to becoming a key player worldwide. In an industry where profit margins are extremely tight, Motherson focuses on operational excellence by achieving cost targets while ensuring safety and consistent quality. This balance is essential in delivering reliable products at scale. Beyond that, the company aims to build a crisis-proof organization, recognizing the automotive sector's cyclical nature and heavy investment demands. The goal is to maintain long-term survivability through downturns, even if it means accepting lower profits in the short term. This approach ensures that Motherson is not just growing, but establishing a stable and resilient foundation for the future. Motherson's growth is no accident. It's grounded in a clear philosophy called the Motherson Way, centered on putting the customer first in every decision. They avoid building capacity based on guesses about future demand and manage risks by diversifying their customer base to prevent over-reliance on any single client. When necessary, they are willing to repair supplier assets to ensure that original equipment manufacturers, or OEMs, don't face disruptions. This approach has earned Motherson a strong reputation as the supplier people trust most, the one they count on when others can't deliver. Is what truly sets them apart in the automotive supply industry. Motherson focused on growing quickly and strategically through acquisitions rather than slow, organic expansion. They targeted companies that were distressed but still had strategic value, including top-tier suppliers facing financial challenges and businesses that competitors had left behind during downturns. After acquiring these companies, Motherson applied a disciplined approach to integrate operations, streamline costs, and align cultures. This method allowed them to build a global presence that is large and efficient, avoiding the chaos that often comes with rapid international growth. Motherson sets itself apart by focusing on complete systems rather than just individual components. They specialize in integrating complex areas like wiring harnesses, cockpits and dashboards, mirrors and vision systems, and polymer modules and interiors. This approach makes their offerings more essential to automakers because once a system is integrated, switching to another supplier becomes difficult. This creates what we call strategic lock-in, which strengthens long-term partnerships with original equipment manufacturers and helps secure lasting contracts. By delivering entire systems, Motherson builds deeper relationships and a more resilient business model. Motherson approaches capital allocation with a strong focus on discipline, avoiding unnecessary risks despite its large size. It maintains conservative leverage, meaning it doesn't take on excessive debt, which helps keep financial stability. The company prioritizes generating cash through its operations and carefully aligns its capital expenditures with confirmed customer demand, ensuring investments are both efficient and effective. This frugal approach means Motherson can move quickly and decisively during downturns, taking advantage of opportunities when competitors might be financially constrained. This careful balance between growth and financial prudence is a key part of how Motherson sustains its long-term success. Motherson's success comes from a unique blend of strong leadership and structured management. It's a founder-led company, meaning the entrepreneurial spirit drives decision-making, but it's equally supported by well-established institutional processes. This balance creates a powerful foundation that many global suppliers struggle to achieve. Additionally, Motherson focuses on delivering real results rather than selling narratives. Their straightforward approach appeals to original equipment manufacturers who need reliable partners in managing complex global supply chains. This commitment to execution and performance more than any story has been key to earning trust and sustaining growth over time. Motherson's strength lies in its deep operational expertise, which covers a wide range of manufacturing disciplines, including materials, electronics, and automation. This depth enables the company to quickly solve problems right at the plant level, keeping production smooth and efficient. Another key factor is cultural discipline. Motherson uses a standardized operating model across all its countries. Consistency in how they work globally while still allowing flexibility to adapt to local market needs. Finally, resilience has been proven time and again, whether through the global financial crisis or recent semiconductor shortages. Motherson has shown it can stabilize its operations and keep moving forward even under pressure, which is a significant competitive advantage in a volatile industry. Motherson's financial approach is closely tied to its core philosophy. The company has grown into a multi-billion-dollar global enterprise, not by chasing speculative opportunities, but by expanding in step with its customers' needs. This steady growth builds long-term relationships and trust. Operating margins are intentionally kept modest, reflecting a deliberate balance. Motherson prioritizes stable volume, long-term contracts, and customer confidence over maximizing short-term profits. This disciplined financial model supports sustainable growth and reinforces the group's reputation for reliability and operational strength. Motherson uses debt carefully and strategically, often to acquire undervalued assets that can be quickly turned around through operational improvements. The focus on strong operating cash flows is key, as it supports ongoing reinvestment, acquisitions, and also provides stability during downturns in the automotive market. While the company may not always attract attention for short-term gains, it consistently delivers financial durability and resilience, which is uncommon among automotive suppliers. This balance sheet discipline and cash flow focus allow Motherson to scale sustainably without taking on unnecessary risk. The auto industry is going through big changes like electrification, software-driven vehicles, bringing supply chains closer to home, and pressure to reduce costs from both consumers and regulators. These trends make the industry more complex, which plays to Motherson's strengths. As car makers focus more on their core activities, suppliers who can handle entire systems across different regions with reliable execution become more important. Motherson fits perfectly into this new landscape, not competing with automakers, but supporting their transformation quietly and effectively. This makes Motherson more relevant now than ever before. Motherson Group shows us that the most influential companies don't always seek the spotlight. While automotive brands are well known to consumers, companies like Motherson are the true backbone of the industry, managing complexity so others can focus on innovation and speed. By staying closely aligned with customer needs, maintaining disciplined operations, and focusing on long-term stability, Motherson has built a foundation of quiet strength. In an industry constantly shaped by change, from electrification to software-driven vehicles and shifting supply chains, their biggest innovation lies in perfecting the basics better than anyone else. This dedication ensures that, even as brands evolve and models come and go, Motherson's essential role in global mobility continues without interruption. If you found this video useful, there's plenty of more business and finance videos on the channel that you'll enjoy watching and get great practical value from. In the meantime, thanks for watching.